Hello and welcome to this video on how to use DALL-E, an advanced artificial intelligence program that can generate unique and creative images from text descriptions. In this video, we will explore the different ways in which you can use DALL-E to enhance your creative projects, streamline your workflow, and unlock new possibilities in visual storytelling. So, let's get started. What is DALL-E? Firstly, let's talk about what DALL-E is. DALL-E is an AI program developed by OpenAI that can generate unique and creative images from text descriptions. It uses a combination of natural language processing and computer vision techniques to create realistic and detailed images that reflect the input text. How to use DALL-E? So, how can you use DALL-E? There are a few ways to interact with DALL-E, but the most common is through the OpenAI API. You can access DALL-E through the API and submit text prompts to generate images. To use DALL-E, you need to create a text prompt that describes the image you want to generate. For example, you could type, "a red apple with green leaves on a white background," or, "a unicorn riding a bicycle in the clouds." DALL-E will then generate an image that reflects your input text, using its advanced image generation capabilities to create a unique and creative result. DALL-E for creative projects. One of the most powerful ways to use DALL-E is for creative projects. Whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, or content creator, DALL-E can help you generate new ideas and create unique and engaging visuals. For example, let's say you're a graphic designer tasked with creating a new poster for a music festival. You could use DALL-E to generate images of musical instruments, bands, or festival-goers to inspire your design. Alternatively, if you're an illustrator, you could use DALL-E to create unique and creative characters or settings for your artwork. DALL-E for storytelling. Another way to use DALL-E is for storytelling. DALL-E can help you visualize the characters, settings, and scenes in your story, making it easier to communicate your ideas and engage your audience. For example, if you're a writer working on a science fiction novel, you could use DALL-E to generate images of futuristic cities, alien landscapes, or advanced technologies to help you imagine and describe your world. Alternatively, if you're a filmmaker, you could use DALL-E to create storyboards or concept art for your film, helping you visualize and plan your shots before filming. DALL-E for education. DALL-E can also be used for education. Teachers and educators can use DALL-E to generate visual aids, diagrams, or illustrations to help students understand complex concepts or ideas. For example, a science teacher could use DALL-E to generate images of the human body, cells, or molecules to help students visualize and understand complex biological processes. Similarly, a history teacher could use DALL-E to generate images of historical events, artifacts, or locations to help students visualize and connect with the past. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a brief overview of how to use DALL-E. With its advanced image generation capabilities, DALL-E is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you enhance your creativity, streamline your workflow, and unlock new possibilities in visual storytelling. Whether you're a graphic designer, illustrator, writer, filmmaker, or educator, DALL-E can help you bring your ideas to life in unique and creative ways. So why not give it a try today?